Hi everybody, long time no see. This is Amy from Crafty Aims Workshop, and I just wanted to get on here and say hello. I've not been here in forever. It's January 1st, 2025, and I have missed you all so much. And I wanted to talk about what my plans are for this year. So my last video was April 5th, 2023. That was the long version. I think I had a short after that, but I haven't had anything since then. So it's been a year and 9 months. It's been a long while. Before that, I was working on, that video was a Dollar Tree haul, and the videos before that was all on the miniature house, which still is not done. I wanted to finish that up with you all. Since I started it with you all, I didn't want to finish it outside of that, because I knew eventually I was going to get back on here and I was going to say hi to everybody, and we were going to get back to work on doing our crafting. So my apologies for not being here. My days are so jam-packed with stuff. I work a full-time job. I have 3 parents that need help every day, so there's not a whole lot of time to do crafting. Although I have taken time out to do another half marathon. I did that this year in September for my 50th birthday, and I actually was just 1 minute and 55 seconds slower than 7 years ago, so I think I did pretty good. And then I've done 2 5Ks. I did a 5K in November, and one in October and one in November. So I have been able to put some time into that in between taking care of everybody else and trying to take care of my house. So, but saying that, I just haven't had time to do much of anything else. And you know, it takes a lot of time to edit videos and make videos and all that sort of thing, and I've been thinking about it for the past 2 years. I'm just wanting to get back into it, and I talk about it at work, I talk about it at home, and I just don't get started. So that's what this year's gonna start with. I'm gonna start doing my videos because I really miss doing them. I miss being with you all, and I hope that you guys will still want to see what I come up with. So my goal is to do 2 videos a month. I know that's probably crazy. I don't even think I have time to do 2 videos a month, not much less 1 video a month. But we're gonna work on it. We're gonna see what we can do. The goal is to start. I just need to start. I need to do this, and I really this is kind of going to be like my outlet to get away from all of the other stuff that I'm doing and just trying to focus in on my artwork, my relationship with God, and just really focus in on some other things other than caregiving and work and that sort of thing. So the little bit of time that I might have that I'm not busy doing anything, I'm going to do this because I really love doing this and I want to be part of it again. So one of the things that I have realized is I do waste a lot of time, so I need to work on my time management. I do a lot of YouTube videos and Rumble videos, and if I have time to watch those videos, then I have time to make my own videos. So the question is, what do I want to do with my videos this time around? So we're going to start afresh. I want to do some things that I don't get to do, which is coloring. I have a whole bookshelf full of coloring books that I have spent a lot of time looking for and looking at and spending money on, and I just haven't made the time to do coloring and practicing coloring and learning color theory. So that's one of the things that I want to learn is coloring. So we're going to work in coloring books. Another thing is drawing. My daughter is an excellent artist, and she has kind of got me started a little bit on doing drawing more, even in my spare time when I'm at work, when I'm at lunch, go ahead and just put something out there and draw something. So I'm going to work on that. I've got books on it. I've got videos that I can watch on it. And then maybe when I'm figuring things out, I can share that with you. Same thing with the coloring, learning all of that, and the shading, and learning where different things go and how to find the light, where the light is hitting, and that sort of thing. Painting. I love painting. You guys have seen videos where I've done paintings and really enjoy doing that. I have so much paint. I have watercolor, I have gouache, I have acrylic, I have oil. I have never used oil. I may not even use it in these videos, but I do have it. I have worked with gouache just a little bit through the past year and 9 months. My daughter's got me hooked to that, so I really like gouache. Watercolor, she's given me all kinds of watercolor supplies. So I'm going to work a lot on painting as well. I have looked into oil pastels, and I have some oil pastels that I'm going to work with and make some artwork with that. Clay, polymer clay, paper clay, air dry clay, cold porcelain, you name it, I've got it, and we're going to use it. So I hate to see all of these craft supplies go to waste. That's another thing. You know, I keep coming down here to my craft room. I'm not using it, and yet I have all of these supplies that are just sitting here and getting wasted. So we're going to work on this. And then, let's see, the other things that I want to do, and I'm just going to go through these real quick. I'm going to continue on with the miniatures because I love miniatures. Spinning wool. I have hand spinning tools and things that I have made to spin wool. So we're going to work on that, get back into that. Cardboard crafting. There's a couple things that I want to make out of cardboard. You guys have seen a video where I made a fireplace or fake fireplace out of cardboard. That one got destroyed. Actually, I still have it, but one of my daughter's dogs chewed part of it, so I don't have that anymore, although I do have it to the corner to see if I can use it for something else. But I just want to make some cardboard creations. I love it. I love what you can do with that. I want to try my hand at the Cricut machine, and I don't mean the newer ones. I have bought an old Cricut machine from Craigslist, and the lady gave me all kinds of supplies. So I want to get into trying to play with that a little bit. I may put use a lot of that in junk journals, which is another thing that I want to do. Art journals, junk journals. I want to get back into that, making sticker books, and let's see. I want to recover a Bible. I have a Bible right here that I need to recover. So we're going to work on that. I want to make beads, clay beads, and make jewelry. I want to do some diamond painting. I think I've done, since I've not been on here, I think I've done like 2 or 3 diamond paintings. And I started one and I just haven't gotten very far with it. So we're going to do some diamond painting, crocheting, maybe some sewing, not sure about that. Wood burning. I have a wood burning utensil to burn wood, so we're going to do that. I want to make a dollhouse. I have a book on how to make a plastic canvas dollhouse, and then if I ever get to do this, I would like to buy an actual dollhouse and start decorating a dollhouse. And I think I even talked about that in previous videos. And so much more. There's so much stuff that I have, so much crafting that I want to do, and I want to share it all with you all, and I'm hoping that you all will be inspired by whatever I choose to do. So saying all of that, I just want to wish everyone a happy new year, a happy 2025. We're going to start out with videos and hopefully continue on throughout the whole year, and hopefully inspiration will come. So let's start our word for this year and just get going with whatever it is that you want to do. Start. And I'm going to see you in the next video. I hope you all have a great year, and I'll see you next time. Bye.